What's up everyone, Happy New Year and welcome to 2021. Let's all hope that 2021 is a little bit better than 2020. What I do want to say today, guys, I want to thank you all for subscribing to the channel and really showing your support throughout 2020 and the years before. We've currently just hit 2,000 subscribers on the channel. So I just want to say a big thank you to everyone for supporting the channel and sort of sharing the videos and liking them and stuff like that. I do really appreciate it. And I really want to ramp up the sort of content this year and provide you guys with the best sort of content that I can. So what I just kindly ask you guys is if you could write a comment in the comment section below, just letting me know what sort of content you want to see more of this year from the channel. You know, is it going to be live streams? Is it going to be studio tips or anything else you want to sort of see from the channel? Please do let me know. That allows me to sort of really push forward the content that you guys want to see. I'll obviously be pushing forward as well content that I think will be helpful to you guys, but the more information that I get from you guys, the more that I can sort of do that with this channel. So as a big thank you for hitting 2,000 subscribers, I just want to let you know that I'm going to be giving away a free 30-minute Skype session to someone. For your chance to win that, all you need to do is pick your favorite video from this channel and share it on your Facebook page and tag the AM Studios Facebook page in there, so that I can then go in and I'm going to pick a winner at random. So to be in for the chance to win a free 30-minute Skype session, say it again, you go to this Facebook, your Facebook page, and share your favorite video from this YouTube channel. Maybe put a little bit in there about why it was your favorite video and what you took from it, and also tag the AM Studios page. I will then pick a winner at random. I'll give it 7 days, and then I will go through and I'll pick a winner at random to win a free 30-minute Skype session. So yeah, thanks a lot again, guys, for subscribing to the channel. I just want to say it's been really great as well to see so many people this year wanting to really start learning music production. If you are struggling with your productions, please do let me know. As I say, there's many tutorials on the website, as well as MIDI, sound banks, templates and stuff like that. All stuff that can really help you sort of make 2021 a good year for your productions and sort of help you. And also I offer the one-to-one sessions. So if you are interested in that as well, there's already been a heap of people sign up, really wanting to sort of take 2021 in their strides and learn a new skill. So as I say, I teach people from all sort of levels, you know, from beginner all the way through to professional. So please do hit me up if you are interested in that as well, guys. I will leave, just so you know, I'll leave the Facebook group, Facebook page link in the comment section below, so you know which page to tag. And also, if you haven't yet done so, please join the AM Studios production community, where you'll receive sort of free tips, free tutorials and sort of production sort of related content. I'll leave the link for that in the comments section as well below. So thanks a lot, guys. I hope you have a great 2021 and I'll see you in the next video.